Hey guys, it's Michelle, and today I'm going to the beach. So I won't be filming that much, but I will be filming on the beach. So yeah, this is like just an information kind of thing. So I'm not doing an intro for this one. This is just a reminder. So hope you like my beach. Wow, it's a long ride, so I might be videotaping in the car in the truck, but. Right, so beach tour. So hey guys, I'm back. We arrived at Maracas Beach and we are having so much fun. Guys, I just came out of the water, finished ate lunch, and we're just chillaxing, talking with my crew, and yeah, you can barely see my face because of the sun. So yeah, just get used to it. Gosh, guys, I just came home from the beach and it was amazing. Hold on a second. Yeah, so guys, we now came home from the beach and it was lovely. We actually went on Maracas and Las Cuevas, but I never really got to videotape on Las Cuevas because it was raining so hard, so sorry about that. And yeah, so. I'm so in love with you.